It is time. It is time. Sleeping soldiers of Zion, arise from your slumber. How long will you sleep while the harvest rots in the field? How long will you keep silent while darkness speaks boldly? This is the hour of awakening. This is a season of alignment. It is time to conquer territories, not with swords, but with light. It is time for the manifestation of the sons of God. Not tomorrow, not someday, but now. Pick up your Bible, carry the fire again, go into the streets, into the nations, and proclaim the good news of the kingdom. Return to the cave of Adullam, where broken men became mighty, where fearful hearts were trained for glory. Rise up, sleeping soldier. Heaven is watching. The earth is waiting.